All right, guys, good morning. Back in LA. You know what's funny is when I used to have my Nissan GTR, I used to come out here and visit my my wife now, but she used to work in LA because she was like doing a lot of music stuff and everything out here. And I always, every morning, would wake up way earlier than her, and it's no exception. I do the same thing I did 3, 4, 5 years ago before I started royalty. Every day I come to Studio City, I stay at the same hotel, I eat at the same place, the same 7-Eleven, and I go to the same car wash. All right? Now me and Mario are here. Mario, where's your Bang coffee? I got you the keto coffee.
I know, I'm gonna try that later. That's gonna be my lunch.
I got Mario keto coffee from Bang. Looks pretty cool. It's his favorite brand. So, you know, I always try to hook him up. But anyways, Urus is pretty dirty. And the black Huracan that I bought over there a couple days ago is also very, very dirty. So we're gonna get them washed because I don't really like driving around. Dirty outside, I don't care. I literally don't care. When a car's dirty on the inside, freaks me out. Ugh. All right, so even my shoes. I need to buy new shoes.
Oh, you need to buy new shoes?
Yours are completely, those are fine.
Well, I literally scrubbed them this morning.
I told you, he said $400 shoes, I gotta clean them, all this stuff. Whatever, dude. Listen, all I'm saying is that, hold on, they're gonna need my key. Are you guys gonna move it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, here's my key. All right, good. That was a weird way to hold a camera. Anyways, guys, we're making moves. We're gonna go to Newport Beach. We're gonna buy another car. I just don't know what yet. And I don't know, maybe another Lambo? Maybe not. I'm not sure. Mario, what's your vote on the car purchase?
What's my what?
I'm gonna buy another car. What's your vote? Lambo, Ferrari?
Aventador.
How much money do you think I have? Bought an Aventador on the Tuesday. Wait, what is it? Thursday? Sorry, Aventador on a Thursday.
Right. You got too much money.
Oh man. Anyways, I'm thinking 488. I don't know. 488 coupe. You know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. No 650. I can't afford another 650. You might as well be the richest person in the world if you drive a 650. You got to replace the engine like every 20 minutes. You need to park in a parking space. I was trying to make room here by getting like 1 inch away from the curb.
I was like, why does it take you so much to park a Urus?
Like, but look at that parking space, how big that one is, and look how big this one is. You can't, it's not even a real parking space. You know? Unbelievable.
So, what car did you decide to purchase?
Let's see what we got here. A little over 300. You know what I mean?
Don't show the check.
Yeah,
man.
don't show the check.
People could steal your money.
This is 300 something million. I'm just kidding. It's a couple $100,000. And we bought this beautiful white, matte white, OEM matte white Aventador with a Novatech carbon fiber kit on it. Beautiful car. I don't know if it has any other mods besides this, but let's hope it has some exhaust on it because we're about to go to lunch and I could use a good V12 in my life.
Nothing like a V12.
Yes. It has a kind of an exhaust. I think it has factory sport exhaust because you can hear that it's deeper, but it needs to have the valves taken off because right now the valves are closed.
Even better.
Or
I
yeah,
think it
valves
needs
are
a Rift
closed.
exhaust.
Oh, of course. We're definitely putting the Rift exhaust on. The royalty exhaust is going to change the V12s forever, dude. That's like the sickest sounding exhaust I've ever heard. It's cold right now, so it only lets you go to 6,000. But obviously the sound is not there for this car, huh?
It's a little weak, but I feel like it's just going from our Aventador to this Aventador, because our Aventador is crazy.
I feel like this one looks pretty good though.
No, this one's, I think you should just like switch them.
I know.
This one's way better.
This thing's amazing.
So, any insight on the third car for our viewers? They've seen us buy a Huracan.
Unfortunately, this car took a little bit more of my budget than I wanted. I was gonna buy 2 Huracans and a 570, but right now I've got a black Huracan and this white Aventador Roadster. You know, I paid a lot of money for this car because of the Novatech kit and everything else on it, so I think it's the right choice because I want to offer a really beautiful, unique product, you know what I mean? And that's like the whole key, you know? So this is the reason why we're getting this is because I want to make the car special so that you can't just go to the dealer and just be like, oh yeah, I want that one, and then just take it and get it, right? You have to get the car that royalty has is above everything else, and it's always the best car, the best deal, the best of everything. So that's why I chose this Aventador Roadster.
All right, food vlog. All right, I'll start first. We have the poke bowl with the 3 protein. I went all tuna because tuna is the way to go. Houston.
I did all tuna with mango, seaweed salad, a little tempura crunch, tossed with a spicy mayo and a sesame oil. So I'm feeling pretty healthy today. This is a health. I'm on a health craze, but they have Stubborn Soda is a soda that is maybe it's California based because I only see it in California. I haven't drank a soda in a long time, but Stubborn Soda isn't actually that hardcore carbonated, so I really like it. It's kind of like organic soda, I guess you could call that organic. I got myself soda for the first time in like 5 weeks. Good old Corvettes, you know? Always want to dance around the freeway. I think I surprised him though. I think I really surprised him though. Guys, we run into a little bit of a snag. I don't know if you can see. Outside the window, it's a cool 30 degrees and it's all white. I don't remember the last time. Like, I honestly don't remember the last, actually I do remember the last time. I remember the last time I was in snow, it was in Bangor, Maine, and I was like, I don't know, it was like 5 years ago. So think about this. Now, 5 years later, it's snowing in Las Vegas. I think global warming is a real thing, guys. Good news is we've made it straight into Vegas, the city, 6:07 p.m. So think about this. We actually we left, Mario, I believe we left at just after 12:30, 1 o'clock. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do you think that's right?
That's pretty much
It's right on time because it said 4 hours, 28 minutes to Vegas. The time kept fluctuating. Once we got to Baker, that's when it was like roads closed, it's not closed, roads closed. So we decided to like gamble and go down the closed road because I actually thought I was just gonna jam out on one of the off-road roads and just take the snowplow and just go for it. But we didn't have to. I mean, a little slow down here and there, but overall, man, we got here relatively quick compared to what we thought we were gonna do. So we definitely thought it was gonna be like 11 o'clock, but we ran into some serious snow. You guys saw that, right? That's like epic snow. I mean, we were 60 miles outside of Vegas. That was snow blizzard status, like crazy blizzard. And obviously nobody in the western half of the United States knows how to drive in the snow because we don't get it. You guys on the East Coast, you guys are pros at that stuff. So shout out to people on the East Coast living in snow. That's some real hard life right there, man. If you guys are out there, dude, I commend you because we get it for 1 day a year and it wrecked. You know, school's closed tomorrow. It's not even snowing anymore. Like legitimately, it's not even snowing. And they closed Vegas schools. That's like, it's kind of a joke, to be honest. If you guys are in the East Coast, I mean, you guys go through like 28 inches of snow in a day and have to go to school the next day. We get 1 inch of snow and the whole city's closed. So anyways, we're gonna pick this vlog up tomorrow because I want to show you guys the cars that we bought in detail, go over what we're doing with them, go over the new business that I've got, and basically go over the future for the next like 30, 40 days of what we got going on because it's time that this is springtime. March 1st, we are hitting the ground running. The Lotus will be done, Gallardo will be done, mods on the Urus to come. We've got new companies going up and down. We've got a whole bunch of action happening.